Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will discuss about Foreground service in Android. All the source code is given in the description and you can get it from free. So let's start the tutorial. A foreground service is a service that stays alive even when the app is terminated. Okay, so first create a new Java class for foreground service. I will name it as my foreground service, and it will extend the service class. Press Alt and Enter to import classes. Okay, you might face a new error here. Just click on this red bulb and implement method. Then override this onBind method. We have to add a new function. So press Ctrl and O and you will find onStartCommand method. This is the override method. Now we will write some code here. Now we will create notification channel for our program service, and it is mandatory for upper version than Oreo. Let's start it. Okay, now my foreground service.java is now completed. Now we have to go to android.manifest. We have to add some permissions. We have to add foreground permission. Now we have to add our foreground service class inside the application tag. Okay, now we have to go to the that activity which we want to run in background. In my case, it is main activity. Okay, now we will call the function or foreground service running. Now we will run the app. It might take some time. Okay, as we can see, our foreground service is running well, but it will not work after the user reboots the system. So we have to add broadcast receiver. A broadcast receiver is an Android component that allows an application to respond to messages, an Android intent basically, broadcast by Android operating system or by an application. For that we have to go to Android manifest. We have to add a new permission. Now we will create a new class for our broadcast receiver. I will name it as my broadcast receiver. Write on receive function. Okay. Now we will go to Android manifest again. Then we will write some code in application tag. Then we will go to the my broadcast receiver class. Now we will run the app. As you can see, our app is running, and in this main activity class, whatever code or task you will do, it will run automatically in background. Even if I destroy or terminate my app, it will run. You can see in this run, and it is also running. So thank you for watching this video.